In computing basics, the first computers were used primarily for numerical calculation. However, as any information can be numerically encoded, people soon realized that computers are capable of general purpose information processing. Their capacity to handle large amounts of the data has extended the range and accuracy of weather forecasting. Their speed has allowed them to make decisions about routing telephone connections through a network and to control mechanical systems such as automobiles, nuclear reactors, and robotic surgical tools. They are also cheap enough to be embedded in everyday appliances and to make clothes, dryers, and rice cookers small. Computers have allowed us to pose and answer questions that could not be pursued before. These questions might be about DNA sequence in genes, patterns of activity in a consumer market, or all the uses of a word in text that have been stored in a database. Computer can also learn and adapt as they operate.